Okay, so what's new at the Ashburton Cookery School? Well, I'm actually proud and privileged to be able to say that we're going to run a 5-day course introducing some of our suppliers into what we're going to be calling a garden to table. We've got some fantastic summer produce here, and I'm really proud to be able to introduce Carol.
Hi.
And Jonty, who supply us at the Cookery School with an abundance of fresh herbs, vegetables and fruits. And what we're going to do is we're not only going to teach you how to cook with this produce, we're going to teach you how to grow it as well.
Husbandry comes from the term of taking care of the boundaries which you're responsible for and everything within it. That's where the term husband comes from, is actually taking care of everything which you are responsible for.
Every human being in Devon, every human being in England has as their ancestors people who practiced husbandry, and it's our collective inheritance from our ancestors that is so vital, I feel, to go forward in the 21st century and look after this planet as we're meant to look after it, as we can, as it is our responsibility to.
So what we're really excited about is to be able to show you a fusion of growing and cooking and marrying the two together. So at this really exciting time of the year, we're going to be able to introduce you to cooking some wonderful dishes with some good local produce, but on this occasion you're going to be part of growing it as well. That's such an exciting concept for us at the Cookery School and the Husbandry School, for us to be able to link in together to provide a fantastic, unique 5-day course for a beautiful part of the world.